Hello guys. Today is another day and I want to show my gratitude to my new subscribers. I want to say I love you so much. Thank you. I'm so grateful. I am so grateful, guys. You don't know how I feel. You don't know how much love I have for you. I'm grateful. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. It gives me this energy to vlog more, guys. Thank you so much. Now I'm on 37 subscribers. This means a lot, guys. And today also I'm so grateful for the gift of life. You know, it's not by might nor by power, but I'm here today with God's grace. It's in the morning. I'm smiling. I'm not sick. You know, I need to thank God for that. So today I'm gonna take you along my 24 hours and we're gonna spend it together. Stay tuned. I love you so much. If it's your first time to be on this video, on this channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share. So guys, let's heat water for bathing for me and my kids. I don't use a gas because no, sorry, I don't use a geyser because you chose the electricity, so I heat my water on my gas. So today I'm going to use this for first time. It's called Miracle Mom. I bought it from the shop called A5 and someone recommended me this one and they said it's very thick. So today I'm going to be deep cleaning my ear. It's so thick for you, very thick. And I'll be using this one. I saw it on Pick and Pay. It was on special and I decided to try it also. I usually use Handy Andy, but for this today I'm gonna try to use this one. And I have this glove that I use to clean my sink. without wearing gloves, guys, and it's gonna damage your hands. That's why you see my knuckles are black, because when I'm cleaning, I usually I don't wear gloves. So I saw it recently that those black knuckles are caused by cleaning without wearing gloves. I'm loving these new products. They are not different from the one, and the smell of this Miracle Mom bleach is not strong as Domestos, but see guys how it cleans. And we're gonna go to my toilet.
What is that? Look. You take that. Look, give me. You see? It's on you. I told you. Just like your head.
When?
It's into the room.
No. I'll give you a clue.
It's like
No, it stinks.
the room.
No. It's a fly. Bumblebees, no. It makes honey. Like it's a baby.
They don't know what's a bee. They don't know anything.
No, yeah. This one. This one. No, this one. This one. This one.
This is a flower. Oh, this one. We don't need this one.
And this one, put in this one, and this one.
Oh,
Go your baby over to her. Okay, what is your favorite flower? Which one? Yes, I can see that. But this one, eh? That is color. Yes, I see that one. So you hate the big ones.
The big ones make me cold.
No, the big ones don't make you. Even physics, they hate the big ones. This flower looks so beautiful. I think you take it.
I can take this one, I can take this one, I can take this one.
3, 2, 1. No, I'll give you a clue. The green color. It's very small. And what's the name?
Where's that from? Then don't take it.
Okay.
No, don't do it.
This room has a sweet odor.
That's
See?
it. Then what?
True
Then give me
laughing.
Then what? Guess which one is?
Okay, we goes a lot.
That
No, I think
Then I get a
That's
hundred.
what is your favorite?
That soft ground has some
But
sweet.
guess this one that is
So
very a crowd.
No, you never said what is your favorite. After you said what is your favorite.
Now it's dead, but it never crowd.
Today I'm so lazy and
Is my favorite one. Favorite animal.
But it's no.
lazy. Where
Your favorite animal is a bee.
That is blue.
used to call me lazy someone, but today is lazy. When you do
It's a frog.
okay, Brendan, you can go and brush your teeth. And you can take the jug. Bokata. Hi guys, so this is my outfit. I'm done bathing. I'm going to the mall. I want to look for something, a tripod stand. I hope I'm going to find it. So let's go together. So yeah guys, we are in China Hyper. Lunch boxes. This is for kids, for babies I think. We do have curtains. It's 240 each. They are nice. The colors, they are nice. Oh, look at this one. So nice. I don't even know where the tripod stand is section, but I think somewhere here. At this corner. I think it's there by the front section. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I want something like this. How much this one? The bigger ones or it's only this one? What do you think?
Ounce how much? 160.
I think it's better.
Yeah, this one. And also, chombe chinoita mari? Paida zviri 2 chimwe chenhingirini and then
Sorry. This one they don't have this extension.
oh.
Can't stretch for my phone.
Oh.
Sorry, I want to use the stem like the taller one for YouTube. But this one can, my phone can stand it. I want something that I can
This is also for the photo.
Yeah, I see. And this one, I like for what? For ring lights? Yes.
This also is very nice.
This one?
Yeah.
This one. It's for cameras, is it? Yeah.
But for cameras, not phones.
I think let me just take this one. Just this size. I think I can take this one. I can put it somewhere on the table or something. Then I can vlog. This one's the problem. Okay, thank you so much.
Come here, how much is this one?
Which one is that?
160, the one we used to hold it.
This one?
Yeah, that one.
This one?
Yeah.
160.
160.
This forward for this one. This one you can use it for what? When you're holding.
When you're walking, yeah.
This one has a light.
Yeah, if
You're walking or you're holding
Yes.
like that. And then you're going to chande good.
Okay, this one. But
Which is
thank you.
What is yours? This one is. I just got really light, so I don't have to get a step. I just don't know how to last. I don't want to tell about it here.
That's too open. That one? Two, is it open? Two light are the extended phone like this one straight. Yeah.
Oh, aku nak makan guys, nak kalah.
Aku. open a problem. So 50 cents I got.
Can you give me
It is 360. Very quiet, very quiet. These checkers, guys, our checkers is gonna be very full by this time. The queue inside is something else. Something else. Today feels like Sunday, you know, but it's Wednesday. Why is it so quiet? It's quiet. Clinic. I've been staying in Malvern for 2 years now. There's this post that says Malvern Library, and I don't know where the library is. Like, I look around and I don't know. I enjoy reading, guys, but yeah. This place is so beautiful. It's so beautiful and quiet. The house plants. If you want to relocate to Durban, I recommend you to come and stay in Malvern, guys. It's so nice. You see the scenery, the streets, they are very quiet, and the houses, they are very nice. They are very nice. didn't manage to pass by the bank that I was talking about. I think I have to go home and go to the bank later in the day. I'll do it later. I wanted to go and collect some money, but I thought that if I go and collect that money, I'll end up buying unnecessary things. So yeah, let's go, guys. This is my neighborhood. This is my neighborhood. Guys, oh, this house is so nice. I think that's the most beautiful house in my neighborhood. That the angle was not just showing nice, but I'll show you some other time. It's so nice, so nice. These big houses. And we are home, home sweet home. Hello guys, so unbox with me the tripod stand that I bought from the shop. Yo, I'm sitting outside, guys. It's very cold inside. It's very cold. It's winter, so it's freezing inside. So I decided to sit outside. I enjoy sunbasking. So we're gonna unbox together here outside. So I got this one for 160, the tripod stand. Let's unbox together. So this is what is inside. I'll start by the handle, then the phone holder, this one, then there's this one, the little light that will give light to your face, and inside we need AA 1.5V batteries. I didn't know that it doesn't come with the batteries. I could have bought them. Then there's this cable, yes. I had to buy another cable, small cable, that goes for 40 rand, this one. So to this one you connect here, then this one you're gonna go and connect it to your microphone like this, then this one goes to your phone. And also there's this, the remote shutter, you can, when you want to cut your vlog or what. Oh my bad, you're gonna use this remote. And I got another tripod stand. This one you can use it like when you are walking in the mall outside. You will be like holding this. It's gonna be very easier than holding your phone like this, you know. Your hand, you're gonna be tired and it will be sore here, but this one will make it easier. You'll be just holding it, going. So yeah, I have this one, the other one, oh, it's in white. I thought it's in black. Yeah, so this one, it goes like this, and I don't know how to connect it, but I'll ask my husband to help me. But it should be like something like this. Something like this. No, it's but guys, yeah, something like it should, I don't know, it should be like this, but I will connect it, guys. So I will show you when my husband connects it for me, and it's gonna be easy for me, just in case if someone is not here at home to hold the camera for me when I want to vlog or like this one. I'll just put it on a certain corner, then I'll start to do my thing. Then when I'm moving in the mall, and I'll just use this one to vlog. So that's it, guys. That's what I went to bought to the mall, and I got this one on China Hyper. I'm so excited. So guys, we are done installing. So this is it. This is my hand tripod, and I'm rocking it, guys. I'm enjoying using it. So thank you so much for spending a day with me. My video is ending here. I'm so grateful for you guys, for your comments. They keep me going. To my new subscribers, I want to say thank you. And guys, tell me in the comment section what you want to see me vlogging. Tell me what you want me to do in the next vlog. I can do anything for you guys. What is this bag? I can do anything for you guys. If you want to see a certain place in Durban, I'll take you through Durban. Oh guys, let me know what you want to see in my next vlog. Your comments, your support, I really appreciate them. They keep me going, guys. You give me hope to keep on going. And stay tuned for more vlogs. More vlogs are coming, guys. And I want to let you know that this is my birthday month. Shout out to all July bonds. You are so special. I heard a quote one other day saying you must have a spouse born in July, a sibling. Hey, if you are not born in July, have a spouse that is born in July, a sibling, a child. If not, at least have a pastor, a president. Special shout out to all July bonds, guys. My birthday is on the 23rd of July, and I'm going to do a vlog on that day celebrating my birthday, guys. So stay tuned, more vlogs are coming.